Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you're probably wondering what Cricut this is. It almost looks modern, like it could be a newer Cricut. However, it's not. This is the Cricut Expression 2 model. Came out September 26th of 2011. My son actually found this one at the thrift store and thought of me. It actually still works. It uses cartridges and it has some cartridge content preloaded on the machine. It's a full color LCD touchscreen display with a stylus. The bundle came with these cartridges as well. One of the cartridges and the Cricut toolkit are still unopened in the package. I don't plan on using the Cricut Expressions 2, but I love the detail on the USB cable and the color of the machine and the big Cricut design on the side. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. What do you think? Have you ever seen this machine? Would you use this machine? Guys, leave a comment below. Let me know. Bye.